Seedance 2. If you've been active online lately, you've probably seen this name everywhere. And trust me, it's going insanely viral right now. This is Seedance 2, the most powerful AI video model available today. Everything you're watching right now, completely AI generated, no cameras, no actors, just pure AI. And here's the crazy part, you don't have to wait anymore. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get access to Seedance 2 right now, and how to use it to create insane cinematic videos that look straight out of a movie. Step by step, no confusion, no fluff. So let's not waste any time, let's dive in. Now the tool I'll be using today is called JXP AI. And right now, this is one of the cheapest and easiest ways to access Seedance 2. And the quality is honestly insane. To get started, just click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Once you log in, you'll see an interface like this. From here, click on the Seedance 2 AI video generator, and it will take you to the main dashboard where you can create all your videos. Now let's test it out. We'll start with text to video so you can see the real power of this model. I'll paste my prompt right here, and yes, I generated this using ChatGPT. If you want these prompts, just drop a comment below and I'll share them with you. Next, choose your aspect ratio. I will go with the 16:9 option. You'll also see two options here, the fast model and the pro model. For now, I'll go with the fast model, then set the duration. Let's choose 15 seconds, and now just hit generate. One quick thing, since Seedance 2 is in really high demand right now, you might have to wait a bit, but trust me, the results are absolutely worth it. And here's the output. Oh my god, the transformation sequence stands out right away. The Statue of Liberty smoothly turns into a fully armored robot without feeling like a sudden cut. It stays believable and consistent. The scale feels massive and cinematic, especially with the ship-made sea creature rising from the ocean. The visuals stay stable even with complex motion and effects. With strong camera framing and storytelling in a single sequence, this feels more like a real movie scene than a generated clip. Seedance 2 is clearly reaching blockbuster-style scene creation from simple prompts. Let's try one more. This time I will write this prompt and then generate. And here is the output. This is really awesome, guys. The fight choreography is surprisingly smooth, with blocking, kicks, and movement that feel natural instead of stiff. Then the tone shifts completely when her eyes turn pink and flowers burst from her hands. It jumps from street fight to magical anime energy in seconds, and it works. The effects, character design, and playful ending moment all come together to make it feel like more than just a clip. Seedance 2 didn't just generate a video, it created a character and a story. Now let's test some image to videos and see what it comes up with. So first, let's switch to the reference generation option. Here, you can upload your images, videos, and even audio if you want. For now, I'll upload this image, and in the prompt, I'll paste my prompt. As you can see, the prompts are quite detailed, and this is important. With Seedance 2, you can't just give it a vague prompt. If you want high-quality results and don't want to waste your credits, you need to write detailed prompts. Once that's done, just hit generate, and let's see what it comes up with. And here's the output. Wow. Just wow. I am genuinely impressed. Look at this. The motion, the physics, even the emotions, everything feels so smooth and realistic. This honestly looks like a scene straight out of a Minecraft-style anime movie. It's that good. I don't think there's any other video tool right now that can match this level. Sora 2 was probably the closest, but right now, this clearly takes the top spot. I'm excited to see what future models bring, but at this moment, this is easily the best. Let's try one more, but this time I'm not going to upload a normal image. Instead, I'll upload a grid image like this. As you can see, this is a 3x3 grid, which contains 9 images in a sequence. Now let's see what happens. Next, I'll paste this prompt where I'm simply asking it to follow the shot sequence based on the grid image, and then I'll hit generate. And here is the output. Wow. This is seriously impressive. It actually understood the sequence from the grid and planned the shots accordingly to create this full video. Everything looks smooth, the transitions are clean, and the consistency is just on point. This honestly feels like a scene straight out of a TV series. The quality is just amazing. And don't worry, I'll also show you how you can extend these videos even further, so make sure you keep watching. Now, another powerful feature, you can upload a character image like this and build your own cinematic universe around it. So here, I'll just give it a simple prompt to create a short film of this character riding a cycle, and then generate. And here it is. As you can see, the character stays consistent throughout the entire video. The motion, the visuals, everything looks so polished. This honestly feels like a scene from a Disney-style movie. The possibilities here are insane. You can really go crazy with this. All you need is a little bit of creativity. And now let me show you how you can extend your videos using the Seamless tool. First, upload the video that you want to extend, and make sure the video is under 15 seconds, otherwise it won't work. Once that's done, in the prompt, simply describe what you want to happen next in the scene. So here I'll just write what I want to happen, choose the duration, and then hit generate. That's it. It's that simple. And here is the output. Wow. As you can see, it perfectly picks up from where the previous video ended and continues the scene while keeping everything consistent. The motion, the lighting, the atmosphere, everything stays on track. I honestly don't know how they're doing this, but this is seriously impressive. And here's the final result with both clips combined. It feels like one continuous, seamless video. And using this technique, you can extend your videos as long as you want. There you have it, folks. One of the cheapest and fastest ways to get access to Seedance 2. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, try it out for yourself, and start creating some amazing videos. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.